Guys, Jesse from SEO College. In this video series, we're going to be going over Facebook advertising and step-by-step processes, but more so we're going to be looking at the Facebook library. So make sure to pay attention as we go over the different features and how you can utilize this for your business. With that said, let's jump into the video, guys. Hey guys, Jesse here, and in today's video we're going to be looking at how to find a winning product for your Shopify store or just for a project that you have on the ad library. And right here I have the ad library. I'm going to show you exactly how you could find a winning product by looking at competition and then copying and modeling them to better serve yourself. You could also use ChatGPT for this method. So it's a very brilliant method to really spy on your competition and see what is really working, and then you can utilize that for your own projects and then actually monetize with a winning ad. So I'm going to show you exactly what you can do in order to actually get a winning product. So what we have right here is ad library. So all you need to do in Google search is type in Facebook ad library. Okay, so once you do that, then you're basically going to be brought up with this. So right here you're going to see search ads. Okay, so you're going to see you're basically where you're located, and then you can just select where you're located. For me, I'm in Canada, but I could also choose the United States. So I could just choose the United States here. And then you can choose the ad category right here. So you can choose all ads. I recommend choosing all ads if you are looking for a product for your Shopify store. But I mean, this relates to everything. We're gonna go through all of the different elements in other videos. But in today's video, we're just gonna go to all ads. So the way I would find a winning product is basically I would put in my keyword right here, and then it'll bring up a variety of different ads. But before I do that, I have AliExpress in the other tab right here. So I will look for the product that I want, and it really depends on which niche you're in. You could be in so many different niches. You can be in computers, you can be in babies, you can be in sports, you can be in fashion. It really depends on which niche you're in, but of course you want to find out what is going to be working for your niche. So in this particular video, we're going to look for the baby niche right here, and we're going to look for one-piece suits. Okay, so we're going to look for one-piece romper suits for babies. So this is a winning product right here. As you can see, this is a viral product. What I would do is I will look for orders. So I'll basically match it by the orders, and I'll see how many orders they are being sold for, and then I'll look for keywords within this. So boy rompers. Okay, so newborn baby boy rompers. This is a viral product right here. Okay, so I will copy that, and then I'll go back into my ads, my ad library, and I'll type in baby romper. Okay, newborn baby boy romper. Okay, so I didn't come up with anything there. But what I'll do is I will minimize the keyword here. Okay. And then it will basically bring up some ads. So as you can see, now I have some ads that are showing. So the smaller the keyword is, the easier the ads are going to be propagated. So you can see right here, you'll see a lot of ads that are coming up, and then you will see the ones that are winning. Okay, so you can see different ones. So what I want to do is I go to filter right here, and then basically on filter we will go down and we'll go to all media. Okay, all platforms, all advertisers, and all languages. But you also want to go to active ads. You don't want to go to inactive ads for this particular one. You want to see which ones are actually running. Okay, so if I want to find something closer to this, I will find an ad similar to this, and then you can see the ad details. So right here, if I click on ad details, and this ad right here, it'll show you the platform that it's in. So it's in Instagram, Facebook and Instagram. And then basically if you want to find the winning one, you essentially look for the engagement. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to basically look at one ad right here, see the details. It'll show me the details about this ad. And you can see right here, there's a lot of followers for this particular niche. So you could also spy on different products that are on Instagram. You could spy on the Facebook pages as well, so you can see what's winning in the Facebook pages. This is a great way to really understand your competition. You can take a lot of ideas from your competition and then essentially model them for your own business. So this is actually a really great way to see what's working and then basically utilize it for your own method. So right here I can see another one right here. You know, you see this is another one by the same advertiser, okay? So we see that there's different ones. You see Temu is also, you know, making a lot of ads. Temu is actually a very big advertiser on Facebook ads, as you can see. So you can see right here, I can look at the different ad variants that they have. As you see, these are all active from Temu. Temu is a big company, so you know that they are actually spending a lot of money. They also have a very big following, so you know, they have a pretty big following. But we want to find a winning product. So what I will do is I will go to baby rompers instead of baby boy rompers. So we will shorten the keyword as small as possible. Sometimes 2-word keywords are the best. And then you can see, you know, there's some active ads that are popping up at the moment. And then what we can do is we go back to our filters here, and then essentially what we're going to do is we are going to look for English. Okay, and then we will filter it because we only want English ads. Okay, because English is just United States. And then essentially it'll show us all of the winning ads right here. So you can see right here, these are all of the winning ads, guys. As you can see, like you can see all of the platforms, so Facebook, Instagram, Audience Network, and then Messenger. So you know that they're shooting these feeds off to all of these ads right here. And then basically what you can do is you just go back to the advertiser. You can see the advertiser. You can also see the ad. Okay, so this is a very big one. You can see the ad. And then you can also see right here, if I go to this right here. Alright, so I will go to this. You can see their products and you can also see their store. So you can also see their story here, and you can model their store if you see any other products. Another way to you can also see a lot of engagement is by just scrolling down, and you'll see a variety of different ads. So you'll see quite a lot of ads in whichever niche you're in. And then essentially what you want to do is you just want to click on see summary details, and then it'll give you an idea of the basically like all of the details and the data that you can take away from this. So if you want to look for just Facebook ads instead of Instagram ads, what you could do is just click on Facebook right here and then click apply for 3, and then right here it'll just show you the Facebook ads. So we want to get rid of all of the different Facebook the Instagram ads, and then it'll just show us the Facebook ads. So there's a difference with the Instagram ads versus the Facebook ads. It'll show us different data. If you click on see ad details and then you click on right here, you can see basically again, you know, how much they have as a follower, and then you can go to their page as well. And then you can see the engagement to see if they are actually getting a lot of engagement. If they are getting a lot of engagement, that means that it's a good winning product. So right here you can see that they are very much posting a lot of content. So that means that they are also promoting a lot of content and they're putting a lot of content out. And you can see that these are the winning ads that they have. Usually if they post one of the same thing twice, that means that it's a winning product. And I'll give you another example. So we'll go into another niche. So let's go into computer and office, for instance, and I'll show you something a little different. So we'll go to gaming laptops, for instance. So I want to look for gaming laptop winning products. Okay, so let's say you were drop shipping gaming laptops. So what you can do is essentially go to gaming laptop right here, just take that keyword, and you can see this is a pretty good gaming laptop. This is actually a really good gaming laptop. You could drop ship this. So, you know, the ticket price right here is $452. You could put another $500 on there and make $500 profit. So what you could do is basically go to your library there. We're gonna go back to our ad library. And then basically I will show you how you can look for that. So I'm gonna go for all ads, and then I will look for gaming laptop. And right here you're gonna see the different ads for gaming laptops, guys. So you can see right here that there's a lot of different ads specifically for gaming laptops. And again, we want to filter this by platform, so we're gonna just do Facebook, and then essentially we're gonna look for active, and then we're gonna look for all media types, of course, and then all advertisers. And then this will give us a good idea of the different ads that are currently running. But of course we want to look for a winning product. So what I would do is I would look for the ones that are not by the mega popular ones. So like this one, for instance, Melissa Apparel. This is a product that somebody is currently running. So we'll click on there right there. And then you can see the advertiser's details. So again, this is just some random person that posted an ad. And we can also, you know, go to their page and see where it leads. But if they are paying for an ad, so this is essentially a listed ad that was promoted. So they're paying for this ad, they're selling this ad, they're selling a used product right here. So what we want to do is we want to look for products that are actually being sold as a brand new product. So right here you see a lot of marketplace products, and the way I would do that, again, I can look for all, and then basically we're gonna put in our ad category all, and then gaming laptop. And then right here you can see that there is a variety of different ads that are being sold. Okay, so there's a lot of gaming PCs that are being sold right here, as you can see, you know, and you know, if you want to actually take it a step further, you can actually go to United States, because we want to have American ads, and then we go to all ads, gaming laptop. And then right here you can see right here that there is Almond by HP, so that's a major brand. We want to look for more of the Shopify style ones because we want to be stealing from competitors, right? But you can also, you know, sell things that are similar. So we have Alienware, right? Okay, so there are quite a few of them. All right, so you can see that there's a lot of basic ones, and the style of the laptop ads are basically, it's showing the specs of the ads or the specs of the laptops. So it's not actually doing a detailed rundown on the ads or on the product. So let's go to something that is a little bit more, you know, less specky, and we can go to something that is more common. So maybe sports. Okay, so we can find something in like maybe, let's see, electric scooter might be a good one because this is another high ticket one we can go for. So electric scooters are perfect ad to go for, all we need to do is you just go to electric scooter right here, you copy that keyword, then you jump back into your ad library, and then basically what you want to do is you want to look for that specific one. Okay. Okay, so right here it's going to show you all of the ads that are related to electric scooter. So let me just type that in right there. Okay, so these are really good ads right here. So you can see what they're doing. You can copy their text. See, free 3 to 5 business days. This is actually perfect. So you can see US based service and parts, 12 months warranty. This is a drop shipper right here. So this drop shipper right here would be very good to model if you wanted to do that. We could go to see ad details, and then we can look at the ad itself. Okay, so it looks like a pretty good ad. So this is something that I would want to model. And then we can also look at what they're doing.
What for 1399. They're both backed with high-end features like this LED.
So you can see that this is a pretty decent ad to utilize. So what we can do is we can actually go to see what they are doing right there. We can also Google search their name, and you know that they are 100% a drop shipper, right? But what they're doing is they're white labeling. So they're probably getting this from AliExpress, and then they're utilizing the 5-day shipping. So AliExpress does have vendors that are located in USA. So you also have warehouses that you can drop ship from in AliExpress, and we'll go over that in other videos. But right here you can see this is a good example of a drop shipping product that people are basically opting into. This is a white label product actually that is basically sourced from China, and then they white label it basically. So that's it, guys. If you're interested in learning more about Facebook ads, there will be a link in the description, also in the comments, so you can learn about advertising on Facebook. And with that said, I hope you got some value from this video and learned a little bit about how you can advertise on Facebook, or how you can spy on your advertisers and get some winning product ideas. So with that said, thanks for watching this video and have a great day. Take care, guys.